The Mythbusters, Adam Savage.
I'm done with science for today.
And Jamie Heineman.
Way to go there, buddy.
Between them, more than 30 years of special effects experience. Joining them, Grant Imahara.
That's why we can never have anything nice.
Tori Belleci.
I'll try not to let you guys down.
And Carrie Byron.
Oh! You know, I went to college for this.
They don't just tell the myths, they put them to the test.
Today on Mythbusters. Does toast always fall jelly side down?
The world may never know.
Until today.
I like toast when my friend's planking.
Now, there's no secret to toasting perfection. There's a dial on the side, and you make your selection. Push to the dark or the light, and then, if it pops too soon, press down again. Make toast. Yeah, toast! When the first caveman drove in from the dregs, didn't know what would go with the bacon and the eggs. Must have been a genius, got it in his head. Plug the toaster in the wall, buy a bag of bread, make toast. Yeah, toast! Oui, monsieur, bonjour, coquette. Oh, croissantez-vous over? Maurice Chevalier, Eiffel Tower. Oh, oui, Marie, baguette, bonsoir. French toast! French toast!
As you can see by our math stuff, we measured the height of each location that we dropped toast from, the table, the counter, and the fridge, and the measurements can be seen here. Using the equations shown earlier, only with the new height, we were able to determine the amount of revolutions for each piece of toast that was dropped from each height. From the height of the refrigerator, the toast rotated 402.28 degrees, which is enough to still land jelly side down even after a full rotation. Dropping the toast from the table yielded a rotation amount of 284.73 degrees, which is still enough to land jelly side down. And upon testing, our results were, from the table, the toast landed jelly side down 8 out of 10 times. From the counter, it landed jelly side down 9 out of 10 times. And from the fridge, it landed 8 out of 10 times.
The average size toast is 3.5 inches, falling off the table at 30-degree angle, rotating 150 degrees for it to land jelly side down, and 360 degrees for every other extra rotation, revolution, whatever.
Now, similar experiments have already been done on whether or not toast always falls jelly side down by people like Ron Edge, Darrell Steiner, and other people we've never heard of, but also people like Isaac Newton. And many of the aspects of this experiment relate to Newton's laws. First, we measured the height of the counter from which the toast was dropped. It was 36 inches, which in turn is 3 feet, which equals 0.091 meters. Next, we plugged that into the angular velocity equation of W equals 0.956 times the root of G over L for a yield of 9.9208 radians, which is about 10 radians per second of a rotation, which is about 1.59 revolutions per second, which means it rotates about 1.5 times every second. The 1.59 value can be seen in the total number of revolutions equation shown, 1.59 times the root of 2h over g plus 0.083. The 0.083 is the number of revolutions which equals the 30-degree angle from which the bread starts from. Adding the 30-degree angle to the final yield of the 1.59 times the root of 2h over g plus 0.083 equation, the total number of revolution equation, the total number of revolution equation yields a value of 2.29968 revolutions, which is equal to 108.318 degrees. Adding the two values of 108.318 and 30 degrees together yields 138.318 degrees. And because the toast needed to rotate about 150 degrees to land perfectly jelly side down, more than likely the toast would hit its side and slowly, well, less than slowly, land jelly side down.